The Commission wishes to note, as we have already informed the country, that a limited number of kits were deployed in the update exercise for registration of voters on a rotational basis in order to reach every would-be voter. To date, update centers throughout the country are still characterized by high numbers of applicants lining up to register as voters or to update their particulars. In fact, before, as I was walking down, I received a call from a member of parliament from one of the constituencies who is down on the ground. They were saying there are huge crowds or numbers of people at one of the centers where he was. Cases of machine breakdowns slowing down the update exercise due to frequent malfunctioning have also been reported. However, in spite of the challenges faced since the commencement of the exercise, as of today, 361,432 new voters have been added to the National Voters Register, while 292,021 applications for transfers have been made. This figure, however, does not include the learners who are registered by NIRA and whose data is still being processed. As you are aware, in 2021, the National Voters Register had 18,103,603 registered voters. Since then, the Voters Register has been updated through voter registration exercises in electoral areas where the Commission has conducted parliamentary and local government council by-elections. Further, the Voters Register has been continuously updated by extracting the voting particulars of citizens who have been registered by NIRA and verified as citizens on a continuous basis, and have provided a preferred polling station either in the parish of origin or parish of residence. As of today, the National Voters Register stands at 19,925,574 voters. As you may have heard and have been reporting, some key stakeholders in the electoral process have requested that more time be given to the update exercise for a comprehensive coverage of eligible citizens to be registered for purposes of voting. The Commission, taking into account its observations in the field and assessment, as well as appeals from stakeholders, among various reasons, has therefore decided to extend the update exercise for a period of 7 days, starting tomorrow, Tuesday, 11th February, and ending on Monday, 17th February, 2025. After which, there will be no further extension. During the extension period, the exercise will continue to be conducted at update stations, starting from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., as has been the case, every day, including weekends. So there will only be one weekend, the next weekend, before the extension expires.